I am Saurab Tirkey, and this is my CS50P Final Project, that is, Football Stats Analyzing Tool with Pythagorean Expectation. This is simply just a Python based tool that helps you to manage Football League data. First of all, let's run the code python project.py. Here, the user can enter match results in the given format, and the tool will automatically generate a detailed table with team standings, including points, wins, draws, defeats, and goal differences. For deeper insight, the tool also uses Pythagorean expectation model to calculate advanced statistics like expected win percentage and expected points. I'll show how it works. First of all, let's enter some results. Let's say Real Madrid scored 4 times but conceded twice against Juventus, whereas Barcelona Barcelona scored thrice but conceded 4 times against Inter Milan. Once again, Real Madrid scored twice but conceded none against, let's say, Valencia. Let's expand this terminal first. Once again, Barcelona scored thrice but conceded none this time, yet again against Valencia. Let's enter one more result. Manchester City. Manchester City scored none and conceded none against, let's say, Liverpool. Since we are finished, we just have to uh, type done. As you can see, it generated a detailed table where it's given total number of matches played, points, win, draw, defeats, goal differences, etc. And also the advanced statistics part, which is expected win percentage and expected points. Expected win percentage with expected win percentage is simply the percentage of matches the team is expected to win based on how many goals they have scored and conceded using the Pythagorean formula. As for expected points, it is simply a point a team should have earned based on their expected win percentage and the numbers of games they have played. You all saw how Python programming with sports analytics work. It simply demonstrates how sports data, not just football, can be transformed into a meaningful insight. On that note, I just want to say thank you.